Hey guys, I'm Kat, welcome back to my channel. So today's routine is really good for if you have a no neck. That is where kind of your head kind of protrudes forward. Sometimes you might also have a rounded shoulder with this as well. And so this routine will be really good for that, to strengthen those muscles that need strengthening and mobilizing some joints. So let's get to it then. So we're gonna start by mobilizing our spine, our shoulders and our neck. Come onto a 4-point kneeling position. Your knees are underneath your hips. He can be wider if you want, like this, or it can be straight directly underneath your hips. Shoulders are stacked over your wrists and spread your fingertips. Inhale here. As you exhale, let's push that floor away. Really spread the shoulder blades apart. Imagine that you're trying to create as much space as possible. And exhale, bring it back to center. From here, let's slowly sink our shoulders down. So our shoulders are going to pinch together and bring it back up. Notice that we are moving directly from the shoulders rather than our forehead. Exhale, push that floor away. Bring it back. Come back. Last one. And back. Good. Come back to center. From here, you're going to move your head forward. So you might find that you're already in this position and all you need to do is really pull your chin back, lengthen the back of the neck. So like you're lengthening from here to the crown of the head. Let's come all the way back down. So sink your forehead down towards the floor, not your shoulders, just your forehead. Then bring it all the way back. So imagine you're trying to create a double chin, lengthen the back of the neck. And again, let's come all the way down. And exhale, let's lengthen the back of the neck. We've got another 2. Last one. Bring it back to center. From here, let's nod the chin up and down. So imagine you're saying yes. Think about leading with the chin. Last one. Good, perfect. Let's bring it back to center. This time, let's look all the way over to your right hand side or right shoulder. Come back to center, and then let's look over to the left and back. Over to the right, over to the left. Good, bring it back to center. Send your hips down towards your heels and then come into a nice kneeling position. From here, let's lift the shoulders all the way up towards the ears. Then exhale, let's slide them down your back. And again, inhale to come all the way up and exhale to come down. And again. As you lift your shoulders towards your ears, think about lengthening the crown of the head nice and tall so you don't shrink down. We got one more and back. Good. Relax the arms by your side. We're going to circle the shoulders all the way in front and up towards the ears. As you exhale, let's circle them back and behind. Come all the way forward and up. Notice if your ribs are moving, you don't want to be moving your whole spine like this. You're just going to move from the shoulders only and back. We've got one more in this direction. And back. Lovely, let's reverse, come all the way up towards your ears and bring it back. Think about using your breath, this helps to relax. And let's come all the way back to center. Shake the shoulders up. Good, place your hands on top of your knee, on your knees. As you exhale, let's just flex the spine, look at your belly button. Notice if your shoulders right up, like this, or can you relax it? Exhale, let's lift our chest up towards that ceiling, roll the shoulders back. And let's come all the way forward, round. Think about rounding, tucking your tailbone towards your belly button. Then lift, exhale. Exhale, round. And exhale, lift. Let's come back to center. Good. Place your hands in front of you so you come into a nice kneeling position. So make sure that your spine is nice and straight, so you're not rounded like this from the tailbone. You're nice and straight. Think about lengthening the crown of the head and tailbone in opposition. Relax the shoulder down here. So let's bend at the elbow. We're going to place it behind our head. Let's lift the elbow up. Relax the shoulder, so make sure it doesn't ride up. Bring it all the way back down. From here, we're going to open up our arms, turn the thumb up towards the ceiling. Let's sweep our arms towards our hip. Turn the palm up towards the ceiling and bend at the elbow. So try and avoid touching your lower back. Depending on obviously how much mobility you have, you could be touching and that's totally fine. But if you are not touching, try and lift it up and keep it that height. Inhale, let's extend. Turn the palm down. Sweep your arms back, keep your shoulders down. Bend at the elbow. And again, exhale, extend. Thumb up towards the ceiling. Sweep them down towards your hip. Turn the palm up, bend. And again. Notice if your shoulder rides up, like does your shoulder do this when you open up? Like that, or can you keep it down your back? We got one more. Open up, sweep down towards your hip, turn the palm up and bend. Inhale here. And exhale, let's come all the way back. Keep the shoulders down. Lower that arm down. Over to the other side. Relax the shoulder. Exhale, extend, thumbs up. Sweep it down towards your hip. Turn the palm up, bend at the elbow. Inhale here. Open up. Exhale, let's sweep all the way up. Bend at the elbow. Notice that as you bend, does your shoulder roll forward, or can you keep your scapula in the exact same position, or your shoulder blades? We got two more. Last one. Bring it all the way back. Keep the shoulder blades down. Lower that arm down. We're going to bend the other arm and place it behind where our lower back is. From here, keeping your shoulder blades down. Inhale here. Exhale, let's twist, open up towards your left hand side. So you think about twisting from the upper back here or the chest. Inhale here. Exhale, come back. And again. Exhale, twist, twist, twist. And back. Last one. Inhale here. And exhale, let's see if you can twist a tiny bit more. See if the shoulder creeps up or can it stay down. And let's bring it all the way back. Let's come over to the other side. Bend the elbow, lift that elbow up. Inhale here. Exhale, let's twist open to the right. Inhale here. And exhale, come back. And back. For the last one. We're gonna hold it out here. Inhale here. And exhale, let's come back. Good. So we're gonna come onto the floor, lie on your stomach. We're gonna strengthen our back. So your pubic bone and hip bones are touching the floor. Think about drawing your core in so it's nice and tight. Bend at the elbows, place it underneath your shoulders. Your hands are going to be as wide as your mat, or wider than shoulder distance apart. From here, relax your forehead onto that floor. Take a deep breath in. You're going to imagine that there's a marble in front of your nose. Let's roll it forward. As you exhale, let's slowly start to peel up bone by bone. Think about squeezing your middle back. Inhale here. And exhale, let's come back. We got another 4. Last one. And let's let's come all the way back. Relax the forehead, extend your arms out. They're going to be wider than shoulder. They're Y-shaped arms. From here, let's just lift both the arms up. Turn the palm up towards the ceiling. Inhale here. Exhale, let's lift the arms up and bring it back down. So when you're ready, inhale here. Exhale, let's lift the arms up and bring it back. And again. Hold it at the top. Inhale here. Exhale, come back. And again. And back. Notice if your shoulders creep up or can you keep it down? We got another 2. Last one. And bring it back down. Create a little diamond with your hands and place your forehead into that diamond shape. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, let's slowly peel up bone by bone. So this time you don't have the support of your arms. And this time you're actually going to have to use your back. Inhale at the top and exhale, come back. And again. We got 2 more. Last one. Relax the forehead and keep it there. From here, make sure your pubic bone and hip bones are pushing into the floor. As you exhale, let's lift both the legs up and bring it back down. And again. Notice if you tense your upper body or is all the movement coming from your and back. Last one. Good. On your next one, we're going to do both at the same time. So this involves a little bit more breath and control. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, let's slowly lift the upper body up. We're going to hold it here. When you're ready, exhale, let's lift the legs up as well. Inhale here. And exhale, let's start to flutter the legs up and down. Keep the upper body up. Breathe into the back body. Last one. Bring it back. And slowly come back down. Tuck your toes under and push yourself up. Come into a 4-point kneeling position. And let's just flex your spine. And bring it back. Exhale, let's go. Flex. And back. Last one. Good. Let's come onto our sit bones. We're going to rotate our spine. Extend your legs out nice and straight. So if you got tight hamstrings, you can bend it like this. If you're sitting up nice and straight, but you find that you're tucking your tailbone under and your spine is kind of round, then bend at the legs as well. And then tilt the pubic bone forward so that you can lengthen up nice and tall. So think about extending out through your crown of the head to the ceiling and relax the shoulder. Let's bring our arms out to the side. You can have your palms towards the floor. Inhale here. As you exhale, let's rotate all the way over to your left hand side. Continue lengthening up and rotating as you twist. Inhale here. And exhale, come back. And again. Exhale. Think about rotating from the upper back. And bring it back. And back. And back. Last one. Hold it here. Inhale here. Exhale, let's twist a tiny bit more. If you can, think about twisting from here in your middle back. And exhale, let's come all the way back over to the other side. Exhale. And twist a tiny bit more. And on your next exhale, let's bring it back to center. Relax the arms and shoulders. Bring your legs in together. And let's just reach our arms forward. And as you exhale, let's restack your spine up nice and tall. Roll the shoulders back. Let's go again. Inhale here. Let's notch in the chest. Exhale, imagine you're peeling away from an imaginary wall. Slide your hands along your feet. Inhale here. And exhale, let's slowly restack that spine. Good. Place your left hand on your right shin. Reach your right elbow up towards the ceiling. And let's bend all the way over to your left hand side. Inhale here. And exhale, let's come back. Let's reverse. Lift up and over. Sink the sit bones. And bring it back. Reach all the way over. And back. One more time on this side. Lift up and over. And bring it back. If you enjoy that routine, then give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below which movement you enjoyed the most. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do. Click on that little notification bell because that lets you know when I upload. If you're looking for a longer routine that works on the full body, then I'm going to leave a link for my online classes in the description below. And I'll see you in the next video.